Today, let's take a look at sample problems from section 9.4 in our textbook, and these start on page 484, and we're looking at starting with number 8. It says use the formula of this section to find the area of each figure, and use 3.14 as an approximation to for pi. So in the very first one, we have a square, and each of the sides measures 3 centimeters. So for the perimeter of the square, it's 4 times the length of the side. So 4 times 3 would give us 12, and it's a linear measure. So that would be the perimeter. Whoops, we're supposed to find the area. Area is 3 times 3, which is 9 square centimeters. Okay, so this was actually the one we were supposed to find. In number 10, we're finding the area of a rectangle that measures 3 by 1. So it would be area is length times width, which in this case we have 3 times 1, so that will be 3. Can't write my 3 right. 3 square centimeters. And the reason we're doing centimeters, multiplying centimeters, is going to give us square centimeters. Okay, in number 12, we have a parallelogram. And we have a height of 2.5 inches. We have a base that is 4 inches. So the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So we want to multiply the base 4 by, and I'm just going to change that to a decimal. So that's going to give us 10. Oops, this is inches, not centimeters. 10 square inches. Okay, in 14 we have a triangle that has a height of 36 millimeters and a base of 52 millimeters. Area for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that'll be 0.5 times 52 times 36. And I'm getting 936, and that would be square millimeters. Okay, 16, we have another triangle. And our base is 5 meters. Our height is 3 meters. So again, area would be 1/2 base times height. So 0.5 times 5 times 3, or times 3 times 5, which would be 7.5 square meters. Meters in this case. Okay, in 18, we'll have a trapezoid. And our height is 3 centimeters. We have little base. The top base is 4 centimeters. The capital B, the bottom base, is 5 centimeters. And our area is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases. So in our case, times 5 plus 4, and half of 27 be 13.5, and those were centimeters, so that would be square centimeters. Okay, and let's do one circle. We'll do number 22. We have a circle with a diameter of 12 meters. And our area of a circle is pi r squared. We were told to use 3.14. The radius is half of the 12. 12 is the diameter, so 6 squared. Okay, 3.14 times 36 is 113.04. And they didn't actually tell us how far to round this off, so I'm just going to leave it as is, square meters. Okay, hopefully my math lab will tell you how to round it off. Okay, now we're moving to, we have a number of word problems. Let's see, let me do one of those. I do want to choose one, and let's do number 26 just to show you what the word problems are. It says a wall pennant is in the shape of an isosceles triangle. Okay. Each of the two equal sides measures 18 inches more than the third side. So here's okay. And the perimeter of the triangle is 54. So we want to add x plus 18 plus another x plus 18. Make that look like a plus 18 equals our 54. So counting, we have 3x plus 36 equals 54. If I subtract 36 from both sides, 54 minus 36 is 18. I get x is 6, and that's inches. And we're to find the lengths of the sides, so we know the one side is 6 inches. If we add 18 to that, we get 24 inches and 24 inches. So there's the answer to 26. Okay, let's look at 42. We have a perimeter given, and we're asked to find the value of x, and they say that the figures are not necessarily to scale. Okay, so we have an x plus 2, and an x plus 7. So again, we're going to do basically what we did in the word problem, plus the sum of the three sides should give us 42. And again, x plus x plus x will be 3x plus 9. 3x, if we subtract 9, equals 33, so x is 11. And they just asked us to find the value of x, so we're done in that case. 44, we have a rectangle, and the two long sides measure 5x plus 1, and the shorter sides measure x. So here we have 2 times x plus 2 times the 5x plus 1 equals the given perimeter, which is 278. So we're going to have 2x plus 10x plus 2 equals our 278. 12x plus 2 equals 278. If we subtract 2 from both sides, we get 12x equals 276. So x will be, I'll have to move that down, 276 divided by 12 is 23. Okay. Now we'll skip over some of these and take a look at number 60. I think I'm going to move to a new page for the last two. Okay, I believe I may have run out of my time, so what I'm going to do is do a second recording, and I'll do numbers 60 and 68 on that last recording.